With only a compact machine and a small corner of your garage, you can begin creating real products and turning them into steady income. No massive equipment, no oversized budget, just the right tool and the motivation to start. In this video, you will discover 12 practical machines you can use at home. To get the complete list of all the machines, just comment, send me the link, and I will reply with it.
This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. It does not provide professional or financial advice.
Let's begin with the coffee roasting machine because this is where many people misunderstand how profit is really made. Most assume the money is in serving coffee, but the real margins exist earlier in the process. Roasting transforms raw green beans into a finished product people gladly pay premium prices for. Compact coffee roasters built for home businesses usually start around $1,300 to $2,000, while higher capacity units designed for small commercial use range from $3,000 to $8,000. These machines are surprisingly small, often no larger than a microwave, and operate on standard household power. The financial logic is simple. Green coffee beans typically cost between $4 and $7 per pound. Once roasted, those same beans sell for $12 to $20 per pound, sometimes more for specialty profiles. A 12-ounce bag that costs roughly $3 to produce often sells for $15 at retail. Your advantage is freshness and control. Store-bought coffee is often months old, while yours can be roasted days before sale. Learning takes time, but it's manageable. Focus on a few roast styles, build consistency, and grow customer trust one batch at a time. Next is the laser rust removal machine, a tool that feels futuristic but solves very old problems. These machines use concentrated light to remove rust, paint, and corrosion without chemicals or abrasive blasting. Despite their power, many are portable and roughly the size of a large toolbox. Demand for this service is everywhere. Classic car restorers, contractors, antique sellers, manufacturers, and homeowners all deal with rusted metal. Patio furniture, tools, machinery parts, and cast iron cookware can often be restored instead of replaced. Pricing is flexible, but many operators charge $50 to $100 per hour. The work is clean, precise, and highly satisfying, which makes it easy to demonstrate value to customers. The desktop CNC plasma cutter brings professional metal fabrication into a home workspace. These machines use computer-guided plasma torches to cut steel and other metals with speed and accuracy. Entry-level systems start near $1,500, while more advanced setups reach $8,000 depending on table size and features. The machine converts flat sheets of metal into finished components with precision. Uses include custom signage, decorative wall art, automotive brackets, grills, outdoor furniture, and functional hardware. Your edge lies in customization and speed. Instead of waiting weeks for factory orders, customers can receive custom parts within days. Each project begins as raw metal and becomes a valuable product through software and cutting accuracy. A wood lathe allows you to turn simple blocks of wood into premium handmade goods. Bowls, pens, candle holders, rolling pins, and decorative items are all created through rotational shaping. Quality mid-sized lathes suitable for business use typically cost between $800 and $2,000. Most fit comfortably in a garage and run on household electricity. The market strongly values handcrafted wooden items. A custom pen may sell for $20 to $60 while costing only a few dollars to produce. Decorative bowls can bring $50 to $200 depending on what type and finish. Raw materials are inexpensive, especially when sourcing local or reclaimed wood. Screen printing remains one of the most accessible custom manufacturing businesses. A basic garage setup costs between $500 and $2,000, including a manual press, screens, inks, and drying equipment. With minimal training, you can begin producing sellable apparel within days. Custom shirts typically cost about $5 to produce and sell for $15 to $25. Schools, local businesses, events, and organizations constantly need branded apparel. Large online printers require bulk orders and long wait times, while small operators win by offering fast turnaround and low minimums. Industrial sewing machines open doors to heavier materials that standard machines cannot handle. These machines, priced from $200 to $3,000, are built for leather, canvas, denim, and upholstery. They allow you to create or repair high-value items. Leather goods such as belts, wallets, bags, and holsters sell at premium prices because customers associate them with durability and craftsmanship. Repair services add steady income, from furniture upholstery to boat covers and heavy canvas items. Once known locally, demand becomes consistent. Vacuum forming machines shape heated plastic over molds to produce custom parts. Small tabletop units cost between $800 and $3,000. The process is straightforward and repeatable, making it ideal for small production runs. Applications include packaging, replacement parts, organizers, and prototype housings. Molds can be made using three-dimensional printing, wood, or foam, allowing you to create products unavailable elsewhere. Material costs remain low while customization increases value. A compact food dehydrator might seem simple, but it quietly supports multiple profitable product lines. Commercial-grade dehydrators for home businesses range from $400 to $2,000 depending on capacity and airflow control. These machines remove moisture while preserving flavor, shelf life, and nutrients. Dehydrated fruit snacks, herbs, spices, jerky, and pet treats are all high-demand products. The appeal is clean labeling and freshness. A bag of dried fruit that costs $2 to produce can sell for $8 to $12. Local markets, online stores, and subscription boxes provide consistent sales channels. The process is slow but predictable, making it easy to manage alongside other work. The small-scale powder coating machine brings industrial-quality finishes into a home environment. Entry-level systems cost between $700 and $2,000 and include a spray gun, grounding setup, and curing oven. Powder coating creates durable, attractive finishes on metal items without liquid paint. This service is widely needed. Automotive parts, bicycle frames, railings, furniture, and tools all benefit from powder coating. Customers value durability and customization. A single job can range from $50 to several $100s depending on size and complexity. Once the setup is complete, operating costs remain low, and repeat business is common. A stone engraving or CNC router for stone allows you to work with materials associated with permanence and high emotional value. These machines typically cost between $2,000 and $8,000 depending on size and cutting strength. Even smaller models can engrave granite, marble, slate, and ceramic tiles. Products include memorial plaques, house signs, awards, decorative stones, and personalized gifts. Because customers associate stone with longevity, they are willing to pay premium prices. A small engraved stone that costs $20 in materials may sell for $100 or more. Precision and clarity matter more than speed, making this a quality-focused business. The industrial label printer is a machine most people overlook, yet it supports endless demand. Professional label printers start around $1,000 and can exceed $5,000 for higher resolution and faster output. These machines produce waterproof, chemical-resistant labels used across industries. Small manufacturers, food producers, cosmetic brands, and logistics companies all need labels. Many cannot meet minimum order quantities from large printers. Offering short runs, fast turnaround, and customization gives you a strong competitive edge. Labels cost pennies to produce and sell for dollars per sheet, creating excellent margins. A compact brick or block-making machine transforms raw materials into construction products. Entry-level manual or semi-automatic machines start around $1,500, while more advanced versions reach $6,000. These machines compress concrete mixtures into uniform bricks or blocks. Local construction projects, landscaping, boundary walls, and paving all require blocks. Producing locally reduces transportation costs and appeals to nearby buyers. Once molds are set, production becomes consistent. Materials are inexpensive, and demand remains steady in most regions year-round. Finally, the desktop recycling and plastic shredding machine closes the loop. These machines cost between $500 and $4,000 and process plastic waste into reusable material. Bottles, containers, and packaging are shredded into flakes that can be reused for molding or sold to manufacturers. This machine supports both profit and sustainability. You can charge for waste processing, sell shredded material, or convert it into new products using other machines mentioned earlier. Customers increasingly value environmental responsibility, which strengthens your brand and pricing power. Success is not about discovering a flawless machine. It is about choosing one that fits your skills, budget, and the demand around you. Some depend on technical precision. Others rely on sales and outreach. Some need higher upfront costs. Others can begin lean and scale steadily. Yet every option here shares one essential trait: real problems, real customers, and consistent demand. When you commit fully over time with focus and disciplined execution, only forward.